Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with more work from home job leads. And today we have two high paying job leads that are non-phone. They don't require a degree. They are both from the same company. So the company Authentic 8, they have two different positions open. The first one is a social media specialist. Now these are both remote within the United States only. But this social media position, it is an entry-level position for someone who only has 1 to 2 years of experience. They are really looking for someone to execute a social media strategy across multiple platforms, including LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. You'll identify, generate, publish, and share engaging content on a daily basis. You'll manage corporate social media accounts, including organic post engagements. You'll also have to look at the analytics and do all the profile maintenance. You'll be communicating with followers, responding to queries in a timely manner, and also monitoring those online customer reviews. You will also have to work with graphic designers to make sure that images and videos for your post are complete. So this does not require any kind of college degree. They do want someone who has 1 to 2 years experience in content, social media, or digital marketing. Someone who is an excellent copywriter with strong grasp of a grammar. Someone who is very organized, a quick learner, a self-starter, and someone who can thrive in a fast-paced environment. Now, if that sounds like something for you, they are paying $60,000 to $70,000 base salary for this position. Of course, they also offer bonuses and equity based on your performance on top of that. And they do also provide basic benefits, including health insurance, dental, vision, PTO, 401k, all the things. Now, the same company, if social media is not your thing, is hiring a digital marketing specialist for SEO web. Now, this is an advanced position, so they do want someone who has 2 to 4 years experience. But instead of dealing with all the social media accounts, you'll be dealing with just one thing, which is their website. They're looking for someone to manage the execution of their website strategy. You'll lead content and functionality updates, as well as overall website health. You'll optimize the performance to make sure that the pages are indexed in Google search, and you'll review reporting and analytics and all the things. You'll also have to perform a technical upkeep on the website. They are looking for someone who has 2 to 3 years of hands-on experience with SEO, someone who has experience with the CMS platforms, Google Analytics, and SEM Rush, and all of the website tools. So again, someone who is a self-starter and highly organized. Now, this one does pay more. It pays $90,000 to $100,000 a year, plus bonus equities, and then you get the benefit package as well. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.